Keep a guard when the weight that makes me the only way that me argue. See the changes before me. Hey, new heights for the meds. Yo, welcome back to another episode of Vibes with Nando, with yours truly, Nando the Boss and I Building. Today I'll be doing a reaction to Alkaline, No Rest. And before we jump into the reaction, y'all remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you like the content and want more contents to be created, y'all know what to do. Hit me up in the comment section and let me know what y'all guys think. And stay tuned. Let's go. Woo! This one is Alkaline, No Rest. But start.
Start from somewhere. Don't stop putting your work up on a Sunday. Crazy when them turn around need help. Peace and money I get from what they like nothing else. People are shit I wish them.
But Tap start from somewhere. None stop putting the work all on a Sunday. Crazy when them turn around need help. Peace of mind me I get from what they are right, nothing else. When I tell you, it have to start from somewhere. None stop putting the work hard on a Sunday, bro.
When them funny I want it colder than December. But against the wall I have to come up with a wheel. And if you mean if you ever steal, then I steal. Never want for nothing again to me.
That the goals from the foes. Call them names in the morning. Now no slow swallow. Call up the big tree. Pick no over ticket. You want no pick tree. But pull up that. Pull up back that. Again. Yeah. Have to start from somewhere. None stop putting the work hard on a Sunday. Crazy when them turn on need help.
Have to start from somewhere. None stop putting the work hard on a Sunday. Crazy when them turn on need help. Peace and money I get from what they like nothing else.
People were shit to bush the member. Colder than December. And if you go stay out, then I stay out. Bad against the wall and you have to come out with a way out. And if you go stay out, then I stay out. That's the goals. Which are from the foes. Alright, true. But you have to hold some for yourself because them know what you know more. You have to hold some for yourself because them know what you know more. Love that are the key, bro. Victory. Have the culture upon me shoulder. Have the culture upon my shoulder and me I carry it with me. From back days them till now, them they even know the history. From black days them till now, them they even know the what? History, bro. I know. Can't get no sleep, no rest. Sleep now, no rest. Hey. Yeah. Sleep now, no rest. No rest.
Keep a guard over it, coming something out all the way that me are.
Keep a guard. Only time when the waiter mix up me hard, the only time me argue. Keep a guard. When the waiter mix me hard, the only time that me argue. So you know how it go. When we go out, the only time we argue is when the waiter mess up a meal, you know? Mix up with other. Show me. New heights for the meds. On the ledge. And build a life on the edge. On a Rex. Wally tell them no bother. Last thing I'm thought to put them lyrics together. We have a last thing I'm thoughts. I show the future what we have that we want, bro. Last thing I'm thought to put them lyrics together. Show the future, bro. We are predict with future. We are do it ourselves. Yeah. Yo. Pull up, bro. Shit, bro. Pull up, bro. Hey. Man. I must start from somewhere.
Don't stop putting your work up on a Sunday. Crazy when them turn on me there. Peace on me, I get family, I like numbers. People shit, I wish them. When they get money, I want it.
Cooler than December.
But against the wall, I have to come up with a way out. If you for me, if you go stay out, then I stay out. Never want for nothing again to me.
That's the goal.
Nobody has to tell you
From the fourth.
that I can't, if you know, then you will know what they're about. Some face.
Because them names are no more. Big tree. With me. Them they even know the history. Them they even know the history from Black Ideas, them, bro. Them they even know the history. Man, been up the culture carry upon them shoulder. Talk now, man. Talk about that. Pull up again. Careful. Be careful. Star. Careful, in a man. Careful. Hey, start from somewhere. Non-stop routine the work hard on a Sunday. Crazy when them turn round needed. Peace of mind me I get from what they alright. Nothing else. People who shit a bush the member. When they panic when it colder than December. We out. In front of you, if you ever stay out, then I stay out. To me that a goal. With you from the four. Want some for yourself because them names ain't no more. Big tree. Dog. Consciousness on a whole different level, bro. Conscious on a whole what? Different level, bro. Shit is crazy. You have to hold something for yourself because them names ain't no more. As a mankind stay no dog. Mankind wicked enough. Pull up that bumbo cleat, dog. Pull up back that, bro. Shit. Star. Yo, aight man. Woo! That would start from crazy when them turn on me there. Nothing else. People will shit a bush no member. And when it colder than December. We out. In the phone if you ever stay out, then I stay out. Never want for nothing get to me that the goals. Which are on the force. Because them names and no more. Big tree. With me. Them never know the history. Bumbo clock. Have the shoulder from my back I carry it with me from Black Eyes here them till now them never know the history. I know. Can't get no sleep, no rest. Sleep, no rest. Hey. Talk now, man. Yeah. Keep a guard on the time now. When hey. Keep a guard when the weight that makes me the only way that me argue. See the changes before me. Hey, new heights for the meds. Pan the edge. I build a life on the edge. Pan a Rex. Up the pan the ladder. Who will tell them no bother? Lord, see now me start to put them lyrics together. See the future.
them lyrics that you gotta show the future when we come, so when we want that to be ever. Kinda slow, slow, I don't call it kid.
Big tree.
People know if I take it, no one ever
Big tree.
I think all that money should I carry with me. From Black Academy to know them, never know the history.
I know.
Can't get no sleep, man.
This a music, yeah. I don't feel no dibby. Them a music, yeah. I don't feel no dibby, boy and girl. Them a music, yeah, for the conscious mind, them. The ones with the conscious and moral type of mindset. Your mindset depend on a different level. You meds higher heights. New heights, man, and meds. Stay real to the pledge. Build and make a life and put a house on the edge. Keep a going on it, tell me, wait a minute, see the changes before me. Dog, them music you put in a different level, you know that. Them music you just have meds, you know that. You just have meds prosperity. Other meds, the other heights that we're depend right now. We are meds prosperity. We are meds wealth. We are meds more happiness, more strength. Them thing that we are meds higher heights. Higher heights, bro. We not stay afloat. We always rise to the occasion. Great man always rise, you know that I say it already, man. Sleep no rest. No rest. Hey. You know that's it. That's what's up, bro. That's the reaction, bro. It's crazy reaction to songs like these, bro. It gets your mind in a different perspective, in a different place, bro. When it comes to Alkaline and the lyrics and the message that are in the songs, bro, it's a whole different level, bro. You have to meds it on a different level, bro. So, I hope y'all like the reaction, and I hope y'all stay tuned for other new updates and other new contents. And remember to always leave that like button on like, not dislike, on like. And always remember to keep your notification on for all the latest updates and new contents that are going to be posted. Peace. I'm out. Stay tuned, alright?